to preconditions that sort of predicate bipolar. One is a biological predisposition, and there's also environmental factors.
Responsibility. Human beings have a moral obligation to subjectively construct a meaningful narrative in what's deemed objectively chaotic.
So if like a psychic, you know, as the media would portray, you know, she's got
process. It's a long process.
There's one that's like extra long.
Yeah. Into consideration. It's a correlation between neurological processes, linguistic models, behavioral patterns, and the human experience. So what does all this mean? That has no intrinsic meaning.
The brain interprets, my apology, a literal statement.
We call it alchemy, transmutate, convert.
It doesn't treat the semantics of words.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
We can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.